EuroCAD analysis today. Hello friends and welcome to your channel TubeCore. In this video, we'll talk about Euro against Canadian. Before we start the analysis, if you are new to the channel, then make sure you subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, press the bell notification, and below the video, you will find these links. You can check them out. Join the free Telegram channel if you want some free signals every now and then. Check out the prop firm and the brokers, and the link which I want to mention is this monthly membership. So if you want to get maximum benefits from your trading, Forex trading and gold trading, then go and join the monthly membership. You can check out these things later on. Subscribe and like. Coming back to EuroCAD, let's start the top-down approach with weekly time frame. In weekly, we are going down. So you can see this red candle eaten the previous weekly blue candle, which means this is the start of a new trend, which will be a downtrend. More confirmation coming from daily chart. You can see this big red candle, big red candle. So these two big red candles have eaten previous blue candles, which means we are now in the downtrend. So new trend is started, pullback, new low, pullback, new low, and we are in the downtrend in EuroCAD. Coming back to 4 hour here, you can see we are below the EMA. Okay, so this was the start of Monday morning, and then we are coming down. So if you want, you can enter short right now and take your profit somewhere here, or uh, as per the definition, you can enter after every pullback. Okay, so that's the paddle, isn't it? Right, so we are recording the video at a different time, you are watching the video at a different time, and we enter live trades at a different time. But for now, you can look for shorts in EuroCAD after each pullback because the trend is down. But if you want some live action, make sure you go and join the membership where we can send you live signals and live updates. And for now, subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, share the video, and I will see you in my next analysis. Till then, take care.